Somewhere in deep space, a giant rock is heading our way to Earth. It is massive enough to take out all Earth species and cause an extinction level event. Whether we were to accept it or not, but one day a giant asteroid will hit Earth that can potentially cause extinction level damage. But are we ready to defend our dear planet from such event? What technologies currently we have which can protect us from meteors like the size of which evaporated dinosaurs? What escape plans do we have if such event happens? This is Curious Machine, and here's what would happen if an asteroid was to hit Earth tomorrow. One of the most famous scientists of all time, Stephen Hawking, before his death concluded in his last book that an asteroid impact can be the greatest threat to survival of humankind and other species on Earth. Asteroids are the leftover debris of the Big Bang or cosmological events such as planets formation or the collision of asteroids of different sizes. How dangerous an asteroid can be depends on the size of its diameter. Dinosaurs were wiped out by a 10-kilometer monster-sized asteroid, which seems like to pass by Earth rarely, like maybe in 50 to 100 million years. But this number is not really helpful due to unpredictable nature of universe in long run. But what about smaller sized asteroids? Well, they are less dangerous than 10-kilometer monster, but enough to take out cities or countries. Like the 20-meter asteroid which hit Chelyabinsk, Russia on 15 February 2015, let alone it damaged thousands of buildings and injured more than 1,500 people. That is just 20 meters in size. Imagine what a 300 to 500 meter or 1 kilometer size asteroid would do. Well, dinosaurs didn't have a space program, that's why they didn't get to survive. But we humans, due to our ability to think and create amazing constructs such as International Space Station, there is a window of opportunity which is calling us to focus on creating technologies which must protect us from such events. Well, enough of all the horrors of asteroid impact devastation. Let's look at what solutions we have to defend our planet Earth. Well, how about nuking it? A nuclear explosion needs to adjust asteroid velocity by 10 meters per second in order for no Earth impacting orbit. Whereas if the velocity was 20% more or less than 10 meters per second, then it won't be helpful since gravity will rearrange the asteroid in rubber pile and head towards impact orbit. Another solution is to send a spacecraft to push the asteroid out of the orbit. But at the moment, the most powerful rocket in existence, like NASA's SLS or Space Launch System, is not powerful enough to do this kind of job. Another proposal by scientists is asteroid laser ablation, which is to boil the surface of asteroid with powerful laser by heating it and allowing to eject gaseous material. This would help deflect the asteroid into non-impacting Earth orbit. NASA is also working on creating technologies where they would capture the asteroid in space before it hits the Earth. The only shelter you would have during such event would be an underground tunnel or underwater stations. The truth is that we don't have any solutions at the moment. If by any unfortune, if an asteroid around the diameter of 100 to 500 meters heads our way to Earth, we are in extreme danger. Whether it lands on dry land or water body, the impact would be extremely dangerous. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep asking amazing questions about the universe and the world.